Unbelievable. But you know what? I'm not so surprised. One, just gross abuse of power, and the other one, a stupid guy who just doesn't get it. His shot. And I'm gonna say it like it is, everybody, because it's clear when you see the agenda, what they're trying to do. I'm so happy the first one because finally we'll get them out. Just realize how good crypto prices could be if we take all the bad apples out, we bring good people in. If you wanted to make money in crypto, here it is. The only thing we need to do is to wait for the right time. When the United States becomes the peak of innovation and blockchain, is that going to happen this year, 2024? Of course not, because it's election year, because we just sent 90 plus billion dollars, you know, Israel, Ukraine, Taiwan. Don't care what your politics is on that, but it all adds to the ball of crypto legislation. What we're doing there, Biden, as the second one, is trying to eliminate American Bitcoin mining. Like, can we win on blockchain here in the US on something? Singapore, we got Dubai, Korea, Europe, and many more. Vancouver. They're trying to be the leaders in blockchain, guys. When is the US gonna wake up? But finally, we get justice. Justin, this was posted a couple hours ago. Multiple SEC lawyers resign after a federal judge sanctioned the agency for false statements and abuse of power in a crypto case. Finally, this is war, and we won a few battles. This is not over. Don't go anywhere. Go ahead and smash the like button, everybody. Consider subscribing to the channel. Turn on those notification bells. Oscar Ramos live. Guys, we get excited. We get happy. And as you can tell in my previous videos, but when we got to get a little serious because it's just unfair. If the companies like Ripple, like Coinbase, Binance.us, and other ones that are going through the United States American framework, and when some lawyers are actively hunting them, right? It's obviously not fair. It has to be legit. And well, finally, I'm gonna go ahead and go over this in just a second because it's kind of crazy. And if I go to my Explore, the SEC lawyers resign after gross abuse of power in crypto case. Biden Bitcoin ban US miners in jeopardy. Now, who in the world could think that is a good idea? Probably playing for some special interest groups. But take a look at this right here. United Arab Emirates leads the Middle East crypto race with 72% Bitcoin investors. So when the United States is closing the doors, other countries and other different regions in the world, they're opening up to them. So if you're an American watching this video, you are frustrated and mad with the administration. Like, what's going on here? So here it is. I saw a couple hours ago and I'm like, dude, that's pretty crazy. This man will go down as the worst president of all time, right? So it is what it is, guys. We also have this. Venezuela to use cryptocurrency for oil sales, Reuters reports. So Venezuela is trying to do something. Obviously, could help, but we'll see. Now, here it is, and our positions are doing decent. And when I was like looking at, really, is this going on? Is this actually happening? Finally, a judge, fencing on the side of crypto. Well, this is what's going on right now. And obviously, guys, two lawyers abuse of power, right, while attempting to secure a temporary restraining order against the Utah-based crypto company Debtbox, according to a Monday report from Bloomberg. So we're trying to get all of the dirty clothes from the SEC. Now, you are smart enough to know that if it's happening in a few cases, it's probably also what the main insider theme of the SEC could be. And it all starts from Gary Gensler, the man at the top, the chairman. When we see how they just got Wells notices after Wells notices, Coinbase, and also Uniswap, right? Last week or like about a week and a half ago, you put all the pieces together and then complete the whole quest. There's obviously an ongoing war against crypto. They know that de-dollarization, exactly the news that I told you in my previous video, China, Russia, BRICS, Brazil, Russia, India, and the rest, they're trying to say, you know what, goodbye US dollar, let's make our own currency, maybe digital something, and just get us away from the dollar, from America. So FYI, right? One of the things and best cases to use Bitcoin nowadays. So this is what's going on, and I'm happy that we were able to catch it. What people, which cryptocurrencies are securities? Everything, yes, right? Literally everyone is finally, the SEC about to get wrecked. And what I said is the following: huge the cleanup starts, buy Bitcoin before it's too late, and some other ones, right? Well, because we finally want to win, guys. We finally want to win, and it is time for us to do it stronger than ever. Now, you will only imagine, guys, what the price is gonna be when we finally get out from the $73,000 top, right? So we'll get there, guys. We just have to be patient. Now, when it comes to Biden, this is not news. Like, if you go ahead and search it up, you're gonna realize that a few, right, about a month ago or so, proposing 30 tax on Bitcoin mining. They're not making it easy. They're not making it simple for Bitcoin miners here in the US. Like, they're taxing everybody. And obviously, you know what happened this weekend, sending the money away. I'm not an American, right? I'm a green card holder. I respect this land. I've been living here in the country for 10 plus years. I know what it means to be an American, even though I'm not a citizen yet. But I love my fellow Americans, and I know how difficult you guys have to deal with voting and then not seeing your taxes being working, for everybody. So that's one of the reasons when we talk about election time, especially here in the US in a few more months, is Biden gonna continue with a re-election, or Donald J. Trump will come back and finish his last 4 years? I mean, at the end of the day, you guys will decide, the ones who can vote. We'll be watching, but the stock market and the rest, the crypto market, they have gone up regardless. At the end of the day, they went up. But now with all of these conflicts and with inflation, right? Those are the pain points, and immigration. So there's so many things that are obviously making a big deal out of it. And well, I'm pretty bullish. We might have a new guy in the office, and that person could give us a run that we never seen before, especially for crypto, for stocks and the rest, and ETFs and then indices. It's gonna be delicious. But for crypto, with a new breath of fresh air, with someone that I think can address the nations and the world a little bit more tough, that's gonna give this land, a little bit more of a higher self-esteem and confidence and trust. And that's how we can see the markets rally even more. That's my assumption, guys. Of course, you don't have to agree, but that's what I believe, guys. I'm pretty bullish. I'm buying right now. And well, I'll take the win from the SEC, the two lawyers get out, and Biden. If he wins, it's going to be fine, whatever. But Bitcoin and crypto will suffer, in my opinion, a little bit more under his administration. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Links down below. Peace.